This video tutorial I will explain parallel sort method of arrays class which accept long array, from index and to index. The sorting algorithm is a parallel sort merge that breaks the array into subarrays. That subarrays are themselves sorted and then merged. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined the long array. Then I am calling parallel sort method of arrays class and passing long array and from index as 0, which is this position. From index is inclusive and to index is 4, which is this position. To index is exclusive. So this method sort the long array content into ascending order in this range. Here you can see the output, and this range of long array content is arranged in ascending order. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.